Hi, I'm Amanda Jane Woodall and welcome to my fashion school. So today we're going to be following up from a previous video where we looked at celebrities on the British red carpet, and I had a lot to say about the outfits because I just think with designers having the biggest budgets, access to the best fabrics, the best designers, I can't understand why people are getting it so wrong on the red carpet. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to create a red carpet look, and I'm going to do it with no resources, no budget, nothing. And if I'm successful, then I think the red carpet designers need a big boo. But if I'm not successful, then boo me, that's fine, I deserve it. So I'm gonna go ahead and have a scurry around the house. I'm gonna find different fabrics that I've got, things that I can use, things that I can cut up, and I'm gonna just use my creativity to form something really cool that I would wear if I was on the red carpet. So I made this little mood board. These are some things that have been inspiring me. And, you know, just thinking about colour palettes, thinking a little bit about shape and design. And this is what I would suggest you always start with when you're designing, is a little mood board, just thinking about themes, colours, shapes, and this is just like a little styling suggestion, but this is what I suggest you do at the start of any project. Get all what's in here onto here, and sometimes that can be the hardest bit, but I actually have a video about how to create a mood board. It's really thorough and it will really help you to put your ideas on paper, so go and watch that. And so I started with this, and I've also found some my little scrap fabrics, and look at this is so cute. I thrifted this little box and it now has my sewing stuff in it, so isn't that so cute? I think it was about £2.50, and I really like this style. It reminds me of the noughties, baby, when everything's a little bit tacky, but that's my jam. And also I found, one minute, I have these garments, which also I've just picked them based on their fabrics, their textures and their colours, which I can also kind of cut up and use in this design. So they're quite shiny, quite luxe and glamorous. Bit of a white one, and these have just been saved from going into landfill, so it's fine to cut them up. So these are the resources that I have. I'm not going out for anything. I'm not going to buy stuff in. I'm honestly just going to use what I have, and let's see what we can do. It's a bit of a challenge, and I love a challenge. So I've got a little bit of a plan, which is this. Firstly, I'm going to use some stretch fabric on my mannequin to make like a underdress. So this is going to be a tight fitting dress which is stretchy, and this is going to give us a base, and then I'm going to build the design on it. And this is so that I know the dress will fit to the body, so I can make the base fit to the body, and then anything else that I build off it, fingers crossed, will still fit because we've got that nice solid base. So that's my plan. I'm going to work with texture. I'm going to just play about, have some fun, and let's see what happens. And then at the end we'll have a little model to show you what we created. Hello, so we're on day 5 of our make, and so far we've got our bodice, which I've just got to do a few finishing touches to these pleats and folds, and we've also made progress with our skirt piece. So we have a full skirt piece now, which we're going to attach to our bodice to make our final dress. And also I'm going to use this decoration that we've used the rest of the fabric for our skirt piece, because I just think this is a very nice decoration and I want to make the most out of my fabric. So instead of making my own, I'm gonna take this off and restyle it onto our dress. So I've got just today to finish this entire project, so wish me luck, and I'm gonna have to go and just get on with it. So I'll see you back with the finished results. Creativity to form something really cool that I would wear if I was on the red carpet, which I would hate because I would hate all the people looking at me and the photography and leaving the house.